WorldRemit transfer canceled automatically. Fix. If your WorldRemit transfer was canceled automatically, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the transfer status. Log into WorldRemit and open your transfer history to see the canceled transfer. Step 2. Review the cancellation reason. Check the reason provided by WorldRemit for the automatic cancellation. Step 3. Check your payment method. Confirm whether your payment was processed or declined. Step 4. Allow refund processing time. Refunds may take a few business days to appear. Step 5. Fix the issue before resending. Update payment, complete verification, or correct recipient details. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If the refund is delayed or unclear, contact WorldRemit support for help.